Welcome fellow adventurers, Broness here, and I'm back with another Superpower Beatdown. Today we got Black Widow versus Black Canary. I know very little about Black Canary. I only heard of her through Injustice 2. While I know a lot about Black Widow. So can't exactly say, who's better since, I know a little about Black Canary. I know she has like a super scream, and kind of like Kira, from Power Rangers Down Thunder. So I can't really say who I think would win since, like I keep saying, and I know little about Black Canary. But since it's Superpower Beatdown, it's a voting system. So we're gonna find out who the people voted for. I am rooting for Black Widow. I prefer Marvel over DC. So without further ado, let's get to watch some Superpower Beatdown. Just like Flashpoint Batman vs. Killmonger, the story's beginning immediately. Hey, no pre-announces, no going to Comic-Con, nothing.
Ты неплохо играешь карты.
Ты даже себе не представляешь.
Так, где мы остановились?
Но ты нес какую-то чушь, а я делала вид, что мне интересно.
And I was pretending to be interested. Oh!
Ваша карта бита.
Pause. 1 second. It was playing pretty laggy. So gotta bring it down.
Okay, Dinah. The target is on the 4th floor. She's moving southwest towards the elevators.
Jarvis, I've acquired the asset.
Very good. You have a target tracking you on the adjacent hallway.
Black Widow looks good here. What are you wearing? Oh, snap! Pretty much one of the main things I know about Black Canary.
She's in the stairwell. I just lost eyes on her.
Black Widow is extremely skilled. I don't know how skilled Black Widow is.
Come on, Dinah.
Surprise.
Surprise. Oh, flashbang. The thing is true. It went flash and bang. Oh! Laser. Oh! That could be stuff. Oh, she's got sex. Oh, this is they're evenly matched. We got another gadget.
Пошла ты.
Oh!
I'm Aaron, the director,
I'm Tatiana. I played Black Widow.
and Tess Keelhammer played Black Canary. And I have to say that the fan voting on this was so close. We had 51% for Black Widow and 49%
Oh,
for Black
snap.
Canary.
It was actually equal for a while. It was 50-50 for
I didn't know who was
some
going to
That
win. We
must have
kept
been why the
checking
fight
and
was
we
so
kept
close.
checking. But if you guys want to watch the alternate ending where Black Canary wins, be sure and subscribe to our
Oh, so you make an
Patreon, which is
alternate ending for this bout, but not
patreon.com/BatInTheSun,
FB
or
Bats
click the
versus
link below. You can
well.
also vote on future episodes on our Patreon.
What are the future episodes?
Good question. Well, if we hit certain goals with our Patreon members, we are going to go into production on a psychological thriller between Batman and the Joker. I'll be Joker, and of course, the great Kevin Porter will be Batman.
Batman the
And then for our next Beatdown, we're going to team up with Round Table Studios, an animated Beatdown of Godzilla
Oh!
versus the Dragon Zord.
That sounds really cool.
So definitely go to
Godzilla?
patreon.com/BatInTheSun and join and vote.
This is actually not the only perk that you get for joining the Patreon. You get behind the scenes photos and
people better
videos.
vote
You
right.
get one-of-a-kind Polaroids. You get signed prints. You get all kinds of cool stuff.
Skype with us.
Skype with
You
us.
get like a little I voted sticker. You get all kinds of cool stuff that we throw in there. So definitely go to Patreon.
Hold on, I gotta listen to that again. They said a channel on some Round Table? Oh, I'm subscribed to a channel called The Round Table.
Will be Batman, and then for our next Beatdown, we're going to team up with Round Table Studios, an animated Beatdown of Godzilla versus the Dragon Zord.
That sounds really cool.
So definitely go to Patreon.
Doing freaking Godzilla? What are you guys doing? You people better vote right on that.
Skype with
You
us.
get like a little I voted sticker. You get all kinds of cool stuff that we throw in there. So definitely go to patreon.com/BatInTheSun and
So it's
support
10
the channel.
minutes, 'cause
Join the
they're
team because we
talking
can't make
a
this
lot.
awesome content
Absolutely.
without
Thank you guys so much. Seriously.
And also a big thank you to the Ambrose Hotel, which is in Santa Monica, who
What's
let us
going
film
on through the second half of the video?
to watch it and kind of get a little insight. So let's
Let's do this.
do it.
And that's coming up. So it seems like they're just gonna watch through a thing and talk about it. I wasn't expecting it to end so soon. I wasn't expecting the fight to end so soon. Well, the video was 10 minutes. And that's because the second half of the video is them talking about stuff. So yeah, Black Widow wins. And the voting was really close. Oh, it must have been why the fight was so close. It was because the voting was so close. It was 51-49. Jeez. Jeez, I wasn't expecting it to be so close. I mean, you're giving alternate ending to this bout, but not to Flashpoint Batman versus Killmonger? Yeah, whatever. Speaking of that bout, I did look up some stuff about FB Bats. And I learned that he did use, it was an Amazon sword. However, I'm pretty darn sure that FB Bats, it's nowhere near as strong as Wonder Woman, so he can't exactly strike as hard as her. So even with that sword, I don't think it would help him against Killmonger. And it doesn't say anything about Scarecrow, Poison Ivy, Toxin stuff. So I don't know. Well, the Amazon sword wasn't exactly inaccurate. I don't know what they were going through with the other stuff. But enough about that. I wasn't expecting this bout to be so short. I already said that. Whatever. Black Widow won. Yes, I got that right. Hey, good. And so apparently they're going to do a Batman versus Joker thing. But now they're going to do Godzilla. They're doing Godzilla? What are they doing? They're doing Godzilla versus Dragon Zord. And Dragon Zord didn't do so well against Kiryu. So Oh, I don't see how he's gonna be able to be Godzilla himself. Oh, you people better vote right on that one. Because no way is Dragonzord gonna be Godzilla. Just, it's just not possible. No, it's just not okay. I mean, I'm looking forward to it. It's two of my favorite things, Godzilla and Power Rangers. Which is Dragonzord doesn't stand a chance against Godzilla. Let's face it, no. She said she played Black Widow. Oh, she did a good job. And she looked really good. Crap. Dog's barking. One sec. Sorry about that. God hate it when the dog's barking while you're recording your video. Oh. So like I was saying, hey, she did a good job as Black Widow. Oh, it looked really accurate. Let me just go back and see if we get a good look of her.
Jarvis, I've acquired.
Like, she looks really good. And I can tell they're like, hey, probably going for her how she looked in the movies. That's how they do it most of the time. And yeah, she did really good. Props for that. So yeah, that was Black Widow versus Black Canary Superpower Beatdown. Black Widow won. Vote for Godzilla. For Godzilla versus Dragonzord. Vote for Godzilla. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace and out.